Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Forcestop on Clash of Clans app. To know how to fix or how to solve Forcestop on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to Clash of Clans. Here you can click on Forcestop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.